Did you take the snorkel out of your mouth to do that?
Do it.
Okay.
In case you don't already know, I'm Rhiannon and I live full-time in an RV named Big Booty Judy with my best friend Jordan and my naked cat Sven. We tow a Jeep named Stevie behind us who graciously carries our kayaks Bert and Cletus. We've been on the road full-time for the last 9 months, exploring national parks, big cities, and meeting friends all over the USA. Last week, we met some friends down in the Florida Keys to celebrate their engagement. We had an absolute blast and drank way too much. Today, we are in Biscayne National Park, located at the southern tip of Florida, south of Miami and just north of Key Largo. 95% of the park is underwater, so we decided to take a tour out to the coral reef so we could really get a feel for the park. So, honest opinion, how'd you feel?
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we got to go out to the reef. We went out to Anniversary Reef. Sometimes when it's too windy, you have to go to Billy's. Yep.
You don't get on the other side of Elliott Key. So we lucked out with the weather and got to go all the way out to the reef.
It was a beautiful day. Lots of beautiful fish. We brought our own snorkels.
Yes.
Otherwise you can rent them for $8.
Yes, the trip was $64 a person. We did the 1:30 to 5 p.m. trip and it was absolutely lovely. Thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Our next video will be in the Everglades. Yay! Bye! All of the links for everything we did will be down below if you want to check out more information about Biscayne National Park or any of the tours that the park offers. Bye!